And so, Voyager carried its golden record. On its surface were instructions, etched for any who might someday discover it. Inside were greetings in 55 languages, the sound of waves and wind, the calls of birds and whales, the laughter of children. There were photographs of mountains and forests, images of cities, scenes of people working, dancing and loving. And there was music, from Bach and Beethoven to folk songs of distant cultures, 27 tracks, chosen not just to represent us, but to move whoever might hear them. It was never certain that anyone would. The odds were vanishingly small, but that was not the point. The record was a gesture of hope, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, saying simply, "We were here. This is who we are."